Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Sainte-Adèle is a charming town in the Laurentides region of Quebec, located about 60 kilometers north of Montreal. Sainte-Adèle is known for its beautiful natural surroundings, including the nearby Mont-Tremblant Provincial Park, and it has a rich history that goes back to the mid-1800s. The area was first settled in the 1840s, when conditions worsened in the nearby Sainte-Maries. The first village center formed around Ronde Lake, and it included a general store, a blacksmith, and a small chapel. As the village grew, it became a popular destination for tourists, especially after the arrival of the railway in 1891. This new transportation option brought many visitors to the area, boosting the local economy, and solidifying Sainte-Adèle as a resort town. Sainte-Adèle's growth continued throughout the 20th century, with key developments like the arrival of downhill skiing in 1914, and the opening of the Côte 40 to 80 ski center in 1938. These attractions drew even more visitors, and helped the town become a year-round tourist destination. By the mid-1900s, residential development exploded, especially in the Chanticleer area, as vacationers from across Quebec came to enjoy the natural beauty of the region. In 1997, Sainte-Adèle merged with the neighboring Mont-Rollin to form the larger Sainte-Adèle we know today. Whether you are visiting for its stunning natural landscapes, rich history, or vibrant arts and culture, Sainte-Adèle is a place where history and modern life beautifully blend together.
watching!